To start or stop user data access service, in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll down Services screen. Find User Data Access Service. And then right click on User Data Access. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Provide these apps access to structured user data, including contact info, calendars, messages, and other content. If you stop or disable this service, apps that use this data might not be correctly. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.